Hi everyone, let's learn something educational today. In the 21st century, learning is no longer limited to books and classrooms. There are two powerful tools that are transforming how we teach and how we learn. That is YouTube and Canva. YouTube is more than just an entertainment. It's a global learning hub. Teachers use it to explain complex lessons, while students learn through tutorials, documentaries, and student-centered videos. It supports visual and self-paced learning, making lessons more engaging and easier to understand anytime, anywhere. Another tool that is very helpful is Canva. Canva empowers both teachers and students to turn ideas into visuals. With ready-made templates and simple tools, anyone can create presentations, posters, and infographics, no design skills required. Canva promotes creativity, clarity, and effective communication. Together, YouTube and Canva make learning interactive, creative, and meaningful. When used wisely, these tools help prepare learners for the digital world. Education evolves, so should we. Learn more with me. This is Sergey, serving you educational contents. Follow for more.